Hello and welcome back to my channel. I took a bit of a break, but I hope to be making a return to ADTube and making more sewing videos. I'm working on starting up an Etsy shop too. Today I'll be showing you how to sew this vintage style crop top that ties in the center. This pattern is based off a human-sized reproduction vintage pattern from Simplicity. First, you'll want to print out the pattern from the link in the description box. Make sure it's printed at the right scale. I recommend using a non-stretch fabric. I'm using cotton. The outer fabric and inner lining can be the same fabric, but I'll be using contrasting fabrics so you can follow along with the video with more ease. Go ahead and cut out all the pattern pieces. The first task is to make darts in the back. Mark your fabric with chalk according to the markings on the pattern. Make the dart by folding the fabric between the two marks and pressing it out. Line up the top of the shoulder of the back to the front piece to make sure they match and your dart isn't too small or too big. Stitch the dart in place. I will also link a better video tutorial of how to make darts. Repeat this process with the back lining. Making darts this small can be tedious, but I think they add authenticity to the vintage silhouette. With the right side of the pattern together, pin the outer and lining back pieces together. Sew along the top and bottom, leaving the sides open. With the right side of the fabric together, pin the inner and outer front sections together. Sew the shoulder diagonal side and bottom side together. Do this with both of the front pieces. Flip the three pieces inside out and press. This will give you nice clean edges. With the right sides together, pin the front shoulders to the back shoulders and sew. Now onto the sleeves. Fold the end over twice on the sleeve and press. Sew this hem down. Also put gathering stitches along the curved part of the sleeve as marked by the dots on the pattern. Open up the bodice of the shirt, right side facing up. Face the wrong side of the sleeve up. Pin the sleeve to the armhole of the bodice, gathering the sleeve to fit the bodice. Sew this in place. Do this with both sleeves. Now fold the shirt in half at the shoulders. Match the ends of the sleeves together and bottom edges together on each side. Pin and sew. Simply inside out the shirt and you're done. Put the shirt on the doll and tie it in place to secure it. I hope you enjoy using this pattern. A copy of this outfit will also be available on my Etsy soon, so keep an eye out for that. Thanks for watching.